Here is the village life. Village life is not easy. This is the house where I used to live. This is my house. Do not bother about my house actually. You can see life is not easy here, but it is beautiful. You can see some maize, and when you try to look around here, you can also see fish which are in the drying process. Life is beautiful here. This is a village. This is your village, boy. If you look around, you can see water. The area is encroached by flood. You can see fish everywhere, but if you try to move a bit, you get the water. The area is flooded. This is also another house, but this house is not where I used to live. The house where I used to live is this house. If you follow me, you can see that the area is really encroached by flood. Yeah, if you move a bit, we are living here on a small island. The rest is water. If you see this place, it is full of water. It is flooded. Here we do not use footwear. We do not use footwear. We walk on bare feet here, and we don't care because we were raised in the village. Village life is all we want. If you look around here, you can see maize. Maize everywhere. You can see maize. If you look around, yeah, the area is full of water. If you look around, you can see water, 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 water. And if you come here, you can see another home. This is a village, but a village that is also a fishing camp. Here is dry. There's another island where another man lives. This is also another home. You can see this home. There is a house, there is a small house. And if you come here, you can see another water. The road is watery, and we can here see another home. Hey, here is another home. You can also see fish. These are the houses where we used to sleep. You can see fish around, but the area is flooded. As you can see, it is flooded. It is full of flood. We are living on Iceland, but this place is beautiful. As a village boy, I really enjoy it. Now I'm taking you to the lake where we do fishing. Okay, if you come here, yeah, the water is increasing as you enter to the lake. This is the lake where we used to do fishing. People have different nets here. This is full of water. The area is full of water. It is full of water. We have maize everywhere. There are maize. These boys are going to the river to adjust their fishing nets. If you look around, the area is flooded. Wow, this is the lake. That man is going to see his nets if they catch for him some fish. This is the lake. Follow me. Follow me. Let me take you to the lake. In this lake, it is very deep. You cannot go there without